Etsy is a popular online marketplace where people can buy and sell handmade, vintage, and unique items. Dropshipping on Etsy has become a popular way for entrepreneurs to start their own online business without having to worry about inventory management or shipping logistics. Dropshipping on Etsy involves partnering with a supplier who will handle the production and shipping of the products. The seller creates a listing on Etsy, and when a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. The seller makes a profit from the difference between the supplier price and the price they charge the customer. One of the benefits of dropshipping on Etsy is that the seller can offer a wide range of products without having to invest in inventory. This allows them to test different products and niche without the risk of being stuck with unsold inventory. It also allows them to focus on marketing and customer service, which are essential for building a successful online business. In conclusion, dropshipping on Etsy can be a profitable and low risk way to start an online business. However, it requires careful research and planning to ensure that the seller can offer high quality products that meet Etsy guideline and stand out among the competition.